Alfa Laval innovations like CurveFlow, OmegaPort and FlexFlow contribute to sustainability with reduced fouling and improved efficiency. They are invented to overcome the common challenges for all plate heat exchanger manufacturers. The first challenge is how to distribute the flow evenly inside the channel. The problem is that the fluid will always take the shortcut and not go the longer distance. A poorly designed distribution pattern will mean the formation of dead spots with reduced flow or even no flow, and hence the start of fouling. The unique design of the Alfa Laval CurveFlow ensures that the resistance to flow is equal from points A to B all the way for the shortest path and the longest path. Hence, a perfect distribution is achieved inside the channel, providing customer savings with minimized fouling and longer uptime. Another consequence of a poorly designed distribution pattern is the loss in efficiency and underutilization of the available surface for heat transfer. When the flow regime is formed inside the heat exchanger with a poor distribution pattern, the fluids in the adjacent channels just don't cross each other. Hence, the poor heat transfer. This is waste of pumping energy and our natural resources. Hence, the Alfa Laval CurveFlow also contributes to sustainability with effective utilization of pumping power for efficient heat transfer. Another challenge for all plate heat exchanger manufacturers is how to use the available pressure in an optimum way. The ideal is to minimize losses in ports and maximize the use of pressure in the channels for efficient heat transfer. The Alfa Laval OmegaPort technology enables this with non-circular portholes, providing more room for flow and a better distribution, hence contributing to sustainability with reduced operational costs. Pressure is money, and the OmegaPort helps for better budgeting of the available pump pressure. In other words, spend less across the ports and use it more wisely for efficient heat transfer. Alfa Laval CurveFlow and OmegaPort technology together ensure that the water flows to all areas as described with this metaphor. With perfect distribution and supply of water, two neighboring farmers would get equal amounts of irrigation, both happy with healthy crops. One of the other challenges for all plate heat exchanger manufacturers is how to manage asymmetrical flow rates with symmetrical channels. The problem is that the lower flow rate fluid will start fouling due to lower velocities. Hence, different flow rates deserve different size channels to minimize the likely fouling of the lower flow rate. Alfa Laval FlexFlow technology provides exactly that. Asymmetrical channels for asymmetrical flows, where both channels stay clean longer. FlexFlow technology provides savings for applications where flow rates are asymmetrical, the narrow channel is used for the lower flow. When flow rates are symmetrical, but one fluid is more fouling, the narrow channel is used for the fouling fluid, like seawater or cooling tower water. And for viscous fluid applications like oil cooling, the wide channel is used for the oil side. A metaphor to best describe the benefits is water flowing in a creek. In winter conditions, we have high flow, and the creek bed is perfect. But in summer, low flow means lower velocities and accumulation of debris. The Alfa Laval FlexFlow technology provides the right size channel for the right flow, minimizing fouling and contributing to sustainability. For more information and to see how Alfa Laval provides savings in operation and maintenance costs, please visit alfalaval.com. Discover how these unique features provide improved efficiency and reduce fouling, helping customers to save money and protect our planet.